Sherwin-Williams' new Collision Core Quality app is now available to collision centers with a focus on avoiding repair errors. The new app is designed to replace paper checklists and documentation with a simpler process that photographs and timestamps repairs for a streamlined workflow. KLEAN-STRIP has launched an all-new Automotive Lacquer Thinner under the name WT60, replacing its recently discontinued WT50 Lacquer Thinner. The new formula is nationally VOC compliant and now available at jobber stores in 1 gallon and 5 gallon sizes. Gemini Industries is pleased to announce an exciting new member of the Zero Rust family. The new Zero Rust Topcoat is designed to give you that desired look you've come to expect, now compatible with Zero Rust primers for supreme rust protection. Available in 6 popular colors in aerosol cans only, the product is VOC compliant in all 50 states and is very easy to apply. For more information, visit usezerorust.com. The Autobody source supports the collision industry's future techs. Our friend Giuseppe's Garage is a 9-year-old who's shaping the next generation of gearheads and is partnered with brands including ZF, 5-Star Extreme, Pure Reflection Coatings, and even Speed Culture magazine. To find out how to score a cool set of merchandise, visit Giuseppe's Garage, the Autobody source, or 5-Star Extreme on Instagram for details. The newest Autobody source savings are on their way to your mailbox, but you can take advantage of them now. Just click the link in our bio or the Read and Subscribe tab on our website to view our digital flyer. And be sure to sign up for the Buzz Club email newsletter for a weekly curated feed of the latest Autobody product launches, how-to videos, and technology trends from over 40 brands we love. To stay connected with these and other industry updates, stay tuned to autobodysource.com.